Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create custom positions in the 3D assembly. For what is it good? If you are working in the drawing, you need to many times to create a repeat region, automatic bill of material and specify custom value of the position number. Officially in Creo drawing you are able to change the index, but you have to go to repeat region and sort index and fix index, remove index and so on, and many times it's really complicated, and I like to show you first how to do it manually, and then I will show you in separate video how to do it automatically. Yes, so let's focus on the parameter position, and this parameter position is also available in Windchill. So if you would like to change the position number, you don't need to do it directly in Creo, but also by Windchill system. In many companies, you are using the POS, the parameter, as the position. So this is the reason that I like to focus on this. So let's jump to the assembly. And in this assembly, we have many objects and models. And we would like to create from the model tree the position parameter. So if I will select three columns, we are able to specify the feature parameter and we will call it POS. So if I will hit to the right, the system will place it, and when I come from OK, we will see that in the model tree we do not have the position parameter filled yet. And for example, this 3D model we would like to have on the position 1. So we can select here in the empty space and the system will show me the parameter properties, and we will create feature parameter POS and we will specify that is the integer and value will be 1. And then we will specify that we would like to designate. What does it mean? Will be available on the data management system, so for example in Windchill. When I come from OK, the first position parameter is created, and when you store the assembly, this position parameter will be available in Windchill, and also we are able to maintain and modify this number later, maybe in the drawing. Okay, we can continue. For example, this model object will be number 2, so we have to follow the same. We will specify that is number 2, we will designate and come from OK. And also, for example, the subassembly will be specified as the integer, value will be 3, designated, come from OK. So you can see that you can specify your custom position parameter, but you have to do it manually many times. Yeah, because for example, this is the small assembly, for example, only 15 objects, and maybe a couple of them are repeated. So for example, the screw has to have the same number because we have a same position number for the screw, yeah, because it's the same object but 3 times. So what does it mean? If you do it manually, you really have to do it, for example, will be number 4, and you have to continue. So if it is same screw, you have to do it a couple of times, and it's really time consuming. So this is only explanation that you are able to do it manually. What is it good? Then later, if you would like to change the number, and for example, this is the position 5, and this one will be position 1, you can really easy change it from the model tree, and you don't need to fix this object in the drawing, in the repeat region, and over there spend minutes or hours, we can say. It is really huge assembly. So the changing the numbers are really easy with the POS integer parameter. Maybe question will be, if you will create something wrong, maybe you would like to delete this position, yeah, parameter. We have 2 options. If you have this information in model tree, you can simply delete this parameter because maybe this object will be not necessary. Maybe will be this object as the skeleton model, and skeleton model don't need a position number. Yeah. So what does it mean? We are able to select delete, and when I click to the 3D area, the system asked me if I would like to really delete this position parameter. Yep, so now it's not available in the model tree. And if you would like to check it from the parameter properties, so we will specify the parameters here. And we don't want to see the assembly, but we would like to see the component, and you are able to select a component, for example this, and the system automatically show you that the parameter for this component is value 5, and you can change it to 8. Yeah. When you specified the custom parameter, you can follow the model one by one, and the full numbers will be visible. Another question is if you would like to delete all information, and the assembly will be really huge because you would like to maybe start from scratch. Yeah, for example, the best practice is if you will specify that search functionality, and we would like to find the component, so you can select component from the drop-down menu and select all. Yeah, find now, and the system will select everything. I will select Ctrl 8 and move object to the right, so 18 items will be selected. We can come from close, and now if you use the right mouse button, over there is function parameters. And where the parameter POS as integer is used will be listed. You are able to select and use the function minus and come from OK. In this video tutorial, you have seen how it is possible to create and maintain position parameter as integer in the assembly.